Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a super exciting project. I am going to be taking some of these new JRV wood items and showing you how to create an authentically old chippy drippy finish. If that's the kind of thing you like and you're new here, be sure to subscribe and hit that bell to all so you don't miss any upcycles by Bree. First project today, I'm going to show you how to take the candlestick from this raw wood form to this beautiful chippy drippy finish. Y'all have seen me use baking soda many times, but today we're stepping it up and I'm making my own salt wash. 2 tablespoons of coarse salt, 2 tablespoons of baking soda. This is just one of those little coffee blenders. I give it a good pulse until it is all blended up, and here is what it looks like. Very similar to salt wash. I'm mixing it in with DIY's layered chocolate. Makes me want cake. Ooh, or brownies. Yeah, brownies. I used about 50-50 of my salt wash blend and paint, and now I'm using a little Chippy brush and stippling the paint into the cracks and randomly throughout the candlestick. Speed up the drying process. I'm going to use some DIY Big Top and paint just over where I put the brown. That is going to provide a little bit of resist for the milk paint, and hopefully it will chip a little bit more in those areas because that milk paint is going to stick really well to raw wood. Remember to pour your Big Top out into a small container so you don't contaminate your whole big container. Let's talk a little bit about milk paint. Here I have a 1/4 cup of warm water and I'm doing a 1/4 cup of milk paint. I'm mixing up just a small batch, so I'm using a leftover container and a little blender ball from a protein shaker. Give that a good shake for a couple of minutes and you have a nice thick milkshake-like consistency. Now I am going to let this paint sit for about 10 minutes. That's going to help most of the little bubbles dissipate off the surface, but before I use it, I'll give it one more good stir. I did not use any extra bond. I know that this milk paint will stick really well to the raw wood, and I want it to chip off of where I used the brown paint and the Big Top. From the Dollar Tree to apply my paint today, and I'm using a Lazy Susan to make this job a lot easier. If y'all haven't thrifted one yet, keep an eye out. A little heat gun to speed up the drying process and also to help this paint chip and crackle. Little trick for you, rip your paper and then fold it into fourths. That is going to help protect the sandpaper while you're working and make it much more small and manageable. I started sanding outside, but y'all, it was humid in Kansas that day, so we are back inside to finish the job. I have a combination of 220 and 120 grit sandpaper. I'm working down in all the cracks and crevices and really getting some awesome chipping. Pickins Beeswax to seal these candlesticks up today. I'm using clear and dark. This wax smells so good and it has a great creamy consistency. I'm applying the clear wax over first to act as a buffer, and then I will use a smaller chip brush to go in and apply the dark wax. So look at the final result. They look authentically chippy, drippy, and very farmhouse. I love the way these came out. What do you all think? Is this a hit or a miss? You can find the paint products and my finished projects on my website, upcycledbybrie.com. For the cutting board and the rolling pin, I am using Sweet Pickins Hemp Oil. This is a food-safe product. Look how it brings out the natural beauty of this pine wood. It is simply gorgeous. Now you can rest assured you can seal these products up and use them food safe with no worries. After I apply the hemp oil, I'm going to let it sit and soak in anywhere from 5 to 15 minutes and then wipe back any excess. I'm using a Viva paper towel to make sure everything is staying nice and clean and food safe. Process here with the rolling pin. What I love about these rolling pins are they are a totally different shape than what I usually find in the thrift stores. Plus, this is totally functional for cooking, and look how beautifully it blends with the old authentic wood, so you can also use it as decor. Last up today, we are taking the pantry shelf corbel, but we are going to be using it for decor. I am turning it into an industrial bookend. Let's beat this corbel up a little bit. And then I am going to make it look like there's a crack by hammering this scraper down into this soft pine wood. Look at the finished project. Leave me a comment below which project today is your favorite. I hope you all enjoyed today's video. This new woods line has so many possibilities. Leave me a comment below. Are you going to order something pre-done because you absolutely love my makeovers, or are you going to order a raw wood product and some of the amazing paint and products you saw and do one yourself? Now, I wanted to say thank y'all. We are over 7,500 subscribers and I am on the road to 10,000. That is my next goal. When we reach 10,000, I'm going to be doing another giveaway, and I thought doing a woods item would be perfect. So also leave a comment. Do you want to see a giveaway with Corbels, Candlesticks, cutting boards, or rolling pins? Now, don't forget, if you are new, hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you don't miss any upcycles by Bree, and you can find all the finished products and the painting products on my website, upcycledbybree.com. Until next time, I'll see y'all later. Bye, friends. Test. Test and testing. 1, 2, 3. That's a rabbit. Jeez, that sucker's fast. Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. I am forgetting what I'm trying to say.